You don't need a fortune to start a business. 20 years of my life I have thought about काश मेरे बाप के पास बहुत पैसा होता, काश मेरे दादाजी ने वो जमीन 10 या 100 रुपए में ले लिया होता. You know, the reality is we are stuck in a poor mindset. Now in this video I'll be talking about 5 entrepreneurs who have done best in their industry and they are amazing. They have built high scale profitable businesses in them. And the most important thing, they have started from zero. Okay, we'll talk with the first person, Nikhil Kamath. Presenting you Nikhil Kamath. I don't think anybody does not know Nikhil Kamath. So Nikhil Kamath started trading in college and maybe made a good money until he lost all of it in a stock market crash. To recover, he worked nights in a call center while trading in the mornings. As a broker, he noticed how traditional firms charged high fees and had outdated platforms, making investing difficult for common people. He started working at 17 years, man. Just hear his story out.
I was working 2 jobs back then. I used to work at a call center and I would trade the markets in the morning.
At 17?
Yeah.
Nitin Kamath, the brother of Nikhil Kamath, has been awarded by the Best Entrepreneur of the Year by EY. Just look at the growth of the 10 years, man. It is amazing. Now, with no external funding, he and his brother Nikhil decided to disrupt the brokerage industry. They launched Zerodha in 2010 with a zero brokerage model, an easy to use platform, a free educational content. Also, they have launched is called Varsity. The industry laughed at them, saying that Indians won't invest in stocks at all. Now, the result, Zerodha is now India's largest stock brokerage with around 11 million active users. 100% bootstrapped and profitable, make 3,000 crores of annual revenue in FY23. His personal net worth crossed around 30,000 crores, man. Just you can believe it. Yet he still lives a simple, humble and life. तो इसमें lesson क्या है? Losing everything is not failure. Giving up is. Now let's come to the second person, Aman Gupta. I don't think anyone. अमन गुप्ता भाई को तो आपने देखा ही होगा शार्क टैंक में, इफ नॉट कपिल शर्मा में तो देखा ही होगा.
I was not born rich. I was not privileged enough. I had a very humble background and my dad having a two-wheeler. And all 4 of us used to sit in one 4-wheeler, my mom and my brother and me. तो बहुत पढ़ाई करी CA बने. मतलब I had to struggle.
Now, Aman Gupta was a CA and investment banker who quit to start his first business in 2010, Advanced Telemedia, selling audio parts. It failed badly, leaving him broke. He went to study MBA in US and returned with a news perspective. Now, as you know about Aman Gupta, now hear him out talking about the product market fit, which I have been telling you all for a long time.
बस कंपनी जब मैंने स्टार्ट करी थी ना, हमने बहुत बड़ा ऑफिस लिया, बड़ी टीम बनाई, बड़ा एडमिन लिया, फिर मैंने ये सर, और उसमें मेरा दिमाग ज़्यादा जाता था उसको मैनेज करने में rather than the business. So that learning कि बस पहले product market fit की तरफ जाओ.
Now instead of quitting, Aman bootstrapped board with 20 plus lakh savings and loans. He didn't launch earphones or headphones first. They started with durable charging cables, solving a small but a real problem. Now slowly they expanded into earphones and speakers using influencer marketing and bold branding. The result is voted India's #1 audio brand, selling 1 crore plus products annually. Revenue crossed around 3,000 plus crores in FY23. Competing with Apple, Sony and JBL, man, can you believe it? Core में थोड़ा loss हुआ था. If you can see, it's time to rise. Now who cares? They are in the top of the list of wearable companies in India. Now come to the third, who is Gaurav and Amit Khatri, the founders of Noise. Noise आपने कहाँ सुना? एक बार सोचिए. Now, Gaurav and Amit started Noise as a mobile accessories brand selling phone covers. They struggled for years making tiny profits with no brand recognition at all. They noticed that the smartwatch industry was probably growing but had no strong Indian brand. Now hear him out saying why you should have a good mentor in your business.
So I was fortunate to have people around me who helped me in my early days to not at least be a step behind, but at least I was knowing कि यार ये problem आ सकती है.
As you know about him, now hear him out on why your product is the prime most important thing in your business.
First mobile cover which Xiaomi launched in India actually, and that was a huge success. We never thought we'll sell a 10 unit also, but I think we got sold out in maybe few hours or few minutes. So when we started, we never visualized that we could become that large, but here we are today.
Now in 2018, the pivoted to smartwatches despite having no big investors or R&D labs like Apple or Samsung. They relied on influencer marketing, digital ads and customer feedback instead of big factory setups. Now Noise also, in terms of other companies which I talked about in FY24, has some losses. Let's take a leap of faith for them to grow more. The number one smartwatch brand since 2020, capturing 30% plus market share. In 100% bootstrap with 1,000 crore revenue in FY23, competes with global brands like Apple, Samsung and Fossil. Now what to learn from here? Sometimes small pivot leads to billion-dollar opportunities. If we talk about the fourth founder, it's a great founder, great couple. We have the founders of Mamaearth, Ghazal and Varun Alag. When Ghazal was pregnant, she struggled to find safe toxin-free baby care products in India. She and her husband Varun started Mamaearth at home using personal savings. They had zero industry experience and faced rejections from a lot of retailers.
मामाअर्थ एक्चुअली शुरू हुआ था जब मैंने अपने फर्स्ट बेबी को जन्म दिया था. वो बाहर से प्रोडक्ट्स मंगाना जो है बैठ नहीं रहा था. कोई कुछ कर क्यों नहीं रहा है, इंडिया में ये प्रॉब्लम है, सॉल्व क्यों नहीं कर रहा है. 2016 में हमने ब्रांड लॉन्च किया था और वहाँ से शुरुआत हुई थी मामाअर्थ की.
Now, Mamaearth focused on D2C sales using influencer marketing and emotional branding. Instead of selling products, they sold a mission: goodness inside. They expanded to skincare and hair care, targeting millennials and Gen Z population. I have also used a couple of products for Mamaearth. Now, it's not that they didn't have any problems. They had a lot of problems. You can see this article. They have been mentioned as a lot of bad quality products, bad influencer marketing, etc., and they have handled it very well. Now, they also had some losses in FY24. Now, apart from that, India's largest, fastest growing beauty brand valued at 10,500 crores, 1.5 billion. Around 1.5 billion. Now they successfully filed their IPO in 2023, if you have heard about it, and they expanded to other companies like Dermaco, Aqualogica and more other brands. Now what to learn from this? Great businesses start with solving some real personal problems. Engineer who sold sleep. Now we are into wellness industry and we know that how crucial your sleep is. Now a sleep of around 5 to 6 hours may break you or may take you to next level, your energy to the next level. Now he has chosen a great niche, and in the starting stage when there was no online provider of mattresses, he was an IIT Roorkee graduate with a high-paying job. One day he bought a horrible overpriced mattress and realized the Indian sleep industry was broken. He quit his job and pitched his idea to investors. Everyone rejected him because it was very early in the market. Now, instead of waiting for funding, he bootstrapped Wakefit within 10 lakh rupees. I don't know where he got that 10 lakhs. Now, he built a D2C model selling high quality mattresses at half the price bigger brands were selling. Now, instead of boring ads, Wakefit used funny, relatable marketing, making sleep a trending top.
मैट्रेस हमेशा एक 8 साल से 10 साल में एक बार इंसान खरीदता है. इसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि जो भी शॉप्स होती हैं उनके पास बहुत सारे कंज्यूमर्स डेली अवेलेबल नहीं होते. उस टाइम पे वेकफिट की शुरुआत हुई. मैंने मैट्रेस ऑनलाइन बेचने का ट्राई किया. हर साल हम लोग डबल से भी ज़्यादा बिजनेस.
In FY24, out of the 5 companies we talked about, Wakefit is little bit doing better in terms of profit margins and other business structure. Now, to talk about the success, it is 825 plus crore revenue into FY23, growing 3x in 5 years. That's not a small thing. Became India's leading sleep solutions brand, now expanding into furniture. Now, still profitable and bootstrapped for the first 5 years. That's amazing. Now, what to learn from this business? Every frustration is a $1 million opportunity. Now, from all these examples, you must have realized that business is not a sprint, it's a marathon. These founders are role models in their space and have built their own personal brand around their businesses. Did it happen overnight? No. Did it happen very easily without any failures? No. So businesses cannot be started with zero money. Anyone who has told you that start a business from zero is fooling you around. I have learned that on a very hard way, and I'll tell you that is not how things work. So I understand that you may be someone who is not also capable of spending 1 lakh rupees for your business. Don't worry about it. I have got some simplistic businesses ideas that will help you, that you can start from 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, less than 50,000 rupees, and that's how you can grow your business. Let's talk about the 5 businesses which can start less than 50,000. It can start from 10,000 to 50,000. Okay. तो फर्स्ट बिजनेस इज डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी. अगर आप स्टैटिस्टिक्स देखो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी का, आप हैरान रह जाओगे बिकॉज द ब्रांडिंग एंड द मार्केटिंग इंडस्ट्री हैज बीन ग्रोइंग अ लॉट. राइट, प्रोडक्ट बनाना इजी हो गया है, मार्केटिंग, ब्रांडिंग एंड सेल करना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो गया है, बट एआई इज मेकिंग इट क्वाइट चीप. If you go to digital marketing agency, आप उसको 5,000 to 10,000 में स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, but you should be having a good amount of knowledge and exposure in digital marketing, that is for sure. तो आप ऑफर कर सकते हो सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग, SEO, कंटेंट राइटिंग, पेड एड्स टू स्मॉल बिजनेसेस एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. हाउ डू यू स्टार्ट? You have to start creating your own brand by reaching that you are a digital marketer, you know how to do digital marketing, and you have a team that can help you do the digital marketing. Now you have to take free affordable courses on Udemy and to learn how you can sell your products. उसके बाद पोर्टफोलियो बनाना पड़ेगा with 2 to 3 sample projects जो आप शोकेस कर सकते हो in your portfolio. Then you have to go for free clients for discount, get the testimonials and then pitch to the other clients. तो leads कैसे generate करना है, बाकी सारा चीज कैसे करना है, you have to do it yourself. You need any help, and you have to build your own brand yourself. You have to start your Instagram, Facebook, जो भी free tools हैं where you can promote yourself. You can start creating content, focus on video content. Now the second part is print on demand. भाई print on demand is a great business and it has been there since I think more than 10 years now. तो इसमें competition तो है, but it is still quite emerging. If you see the data, it is still quite exponential curve जो आप देख सकते हो. Now what do? You sell customized t-shirts, you sell hoodies, mugs, phone cases online without holding any inventory. आपको just designs डालना है website में and that's how you get the products. You have to collaborate with the product companies and that's how you print it and ship it. तो print on demand आपको start कैसे करना है? First you go to Canva, you design it, you go to Shopify, then you go for 20 rupees subscription जो monthly आपको सिर्फ 20 rupees में हो जाता है. Now you go to Printify, you upload your design, now you go to the website and do the marketing. तो अगर आप डेटा देखो 2022 का मार्केट साइज इज क्वाइट ह्यूज, इट इज एक्सपोनेंशियली ग्रोइंग. ओके, तो एक टिप देता हूँ फॉर द प्रिंट ऑन डिमांड कि आपको एक नीश पकड़नी है. यू डू नॉट हैव टू गो फॉर जेनरिक प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक टी शर्ट बेच दिया. तो टी शर्ट इज अ ह्यूज मार्केट, यू कैन नॉट गो फॉर जनरल टी शर्ट. यू हैव टू गो फॉर अ नीश मार्केट. लेट्स से फुटबॉल कम्युनिटी को मैं टी शर्ट दे रहा हूँ, या फिर लेट्स से मैं जेरियाट्रिक पॉपुलेशन जो बूढ़े लोग हैं उनको मैं टी शर्ट प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ. ओके, सो you have to go with a niche community with a niche idea so that you have a premium product and you have a great demand. Third part is online and coaching business. भाई online coaching जो business है that is purely dependent on your personal brand. अगर आपको कुछ सिखाना नहीं आता है, don't go to this. In this scenario, the prerequisite is you should be very good in coaching. You should be very good in teaching people, convincing people, getting them gathered, handling a good amount of 20, 30, 50 people who are your students. ये बहुत ही जरूरी है. And you should have a good niche that you are an expert. Expert मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको 20 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है. Even if you have 2 years of experience, you can preach that experience to people. That is also great. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, दिस इज कम्प्लीटली मतलब डायरेक्टेड कि यहाँ पे अगर आप ये जो बिजनेस है आप जीरो से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. यू हैव अ गुड स्किल दैट कैन बी गिवन टू, यू कैन कोच पीपल, यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो टू यूनिवर्सिटीज, कॉलेजेस, कॉर्पोरेट्स एंड यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली जाके आप अपना आपको पिच कर सकते हो. या फिर यू कैन क्रिएट कॉन्टेंट ऑन सोशल मीडिया लाइक आई एम डूइंग. आपको ये इसमें खरे उतरने के लिए यू हैव टू हैव 2 to 3 things that is very crucial. The first thing is the teaching way of your teaching should be very unique. The targeted population should be unique. या फिर the course which you are teaching is unique. Let's say you know digital marketing, but do not go for a complete digital marketing. Specific niche पकड़ो कि मुझे हेल्थ केयर में डिजिटल मार्केटिंग लोग कैसे करते हैं, उनको सिर्फ टीच करना है, या फिर अगर आपको फिनेंस आता है तो फिनेंशियल स्टेटस इनहेंस करने के लिए, ऑप्टिमाइज करने के लिए, या फिर अवेयरनेस देने के लिए आई एम चूजिंग स्टूडेंट्स और जेनजी, इसको पकड़ रहे हो तो कोई भी स्पेसिफिक मार्केट पकड़ो, नीश प्रोडक्ट पकड़ो, एंड देन यू विल बी गुड टू गो. Now if we go to the fourth service, which is called Cloud Kitchen, man. Cloud Kitchen is the best one. I am also starting my own Cloud Kitchen, so I'll give you better tips in the future. So, Cloud Kitchen के लिए आपको एक अच्छा setup होना चाहिए. You should have a proper setup of kitchen in your home. Now, if you have a well set up of kitchen, and you should also love to cook, man, you cannot hire cooks in the starting phase because आपका investment low है, तो you should be able to cook and you should love cooking in that sense. ठीक है, तो if you love to do that, then first रुक जाओ, go to the statistics now. If you see the statistics of 2020 to 32, you can see a steep rise, exponential rise of cloud kitchens. And यहाँ पे भी catch है because there are many generic food products. आपको अगर enter करना है यहाँ पे, you have to have a niche product in the menu. तो यहाँ पे step by step process में बता देता हूँ. पहले आपको kitchen setup करना है, dishes setup करना है, menu setup करना है कि exactly आपको बनानी क्या है. Then you have to standardize the process with different type of standardization methods. Like आपको menu standardize करना है, कितना quantity जाना चाहिए, that you have to standardize, and that is how you can scale it up. Now after that you have to go to subscriptions like FSSAI या फिर जो भी registrations है that और licensing है that you have to do. Now you have to go to Zomato and Swiggy. Zomato and Swiggy is the best platforms because that has a great exposure और distribution channels across India. तो आप वो देख सकते हो. उसको छोड़ के अगर there is any local delivery, food delivery, that also you can register. Now उसके बाद you can focus on B2C, जो यहाँ से आपको leads आएंगे, यहाँ से आप market कर सकते हो. Apart from that you can also target B2B, as I said, वो भी target आपका हो सकता है. Now the fifth point is the last point, which is affiliate marketing. Man, affiliate marketing मैंने जब business start किया था, I started with affiliate marketing. Now अभी अगर आपको बोलूँ कि आपको affiliate marketing में क्या करना है, it is nothing but building your own brand in a niche and then selling the product. आपको अगर gadgets में interest है, you can talk about gadgets. आपको अगर parenting में interest है, you can talk about parenting. आपको अगर animals में interest है, dogs में interested, you can talk about dogs. You can showcase about information about dogs, and that's how you can sell the related items in that specific niche. तो affiliate marketing का अगर आप market देखो, it's a huge booming market, and AI के वजह से as we are able to use AI tools and create content and publish content, it has become much easier to generate and publish content, but getting traction is also very crucial. तो वो आपको देखना पड़ेगा. Now अगर आप statistics देखो, आपको already बता दिया, influencer marketing is the high top niche because influencer marketing is generally increasing. अब पहले 10 साल पहले क्या होता था, affiliate marketing used to be dependent on blogs or any other publishing houses which used to publish content, but अभी that is completely on the influencers because video content has become very viral, due to which rise of influencers, millions of influencers इसके वजह से that is becoming. So you have to also become an influencer indirectly because without becoming an influencer it is highly difficult to sustain in affiliate marketing market. तो आपको to go for step by step, पहले you have to choose a niche, कोई भी niche है, then you have to have a proper content planning कि आपको content किस तरह से करना है, then you have to start creating content. How to create content आपको मैं सिखा सकता हूँ. Then you have to publish it in multiple areas. You have to publish the same content in multiple areas. Then you have to do macro to micro content strategy also, ताकि एक बड़ा chunk content को आप break down कर सको in smaller content and publish it. So content बनाना आजकल इतना मतलब hard task नहीं है, but distribution or getting the reach is a harder task right now that you can do. Focus on. Okay, then after that, when you have a proper reach, you have proper following, then you can approach brands or brands can also approach you. Then आपका different products के साथ collaboration start हो जाएगा, आपको affiliate link मिलेगा, and जो भी purchases होता है from your affiliate link, you will get the commission. This is very directed. You have to build your brand, you have to do the sales of products related to your niche. Done. So I think we have come up to the end of the video, and I would like to I would like to tell you that I have my own services that I am selling, which is Idea to Entity program. Idea to Entity is something where I teach students how to start from zero. आप zero से लेके कैसे सीख सकते हो, how to get the fundamentals of businesses, legalities, finances and all those things, right? And सीखने के बाद आप कैसे अपना खुद का प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, कैसे उसको लॉन्च कर सकते हो, and that's how I teach people. If you're interested, you can go to this website pavitradas.in, register your entry, and our team will get back to you. Thank you.